Musical trends of the 90s. Number 1. Nirvana, Smell Like Teen Spirit. If you were 15 or 16 years, you might have experienced the release of Smell Like Teen Spirit as a real revelation. Nirvana may not have invented nothing at all, but they perfectly and sentenced the indie. Number 2. TLC, Waterfalls. TLC's most iconic song was a smash hit, despite dealing with those topics much as drugs, traffic, and AIDS. Number 3. PG Harvey, Don't Be the Water. After Dre and Ready of Me, PG Harvey was already a cult star of the alternative circuit. However, her blues, punk, and funk persona had yet to grow, and it did with it to bring you my love.